Introduction to Zapier and Automation.
Zapier is a popular tool that lets you connect different apps and automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. With Zapier, you can build zaps to create automatic workflows between apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, and many more. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about automation, this guide will walk you through setting up your first automated task.
Getting started creating a Zapier account.
Begin by visiting the Zapier website and signing up for a free account. Once you've registered and logged in, you'll arrive at your Zapier dashboard. This is your central hub for building and managing automated workflows, also called zaps. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's features and navigation options.
Building your first zap. Choosing trigger and action apps.
To automate a workflow, start by clicking the Create Zap button. Select your trigger app, the app where the automation starts, such as Gmail, and choose a trigger event, like receiving a new email. Next, pick your action app, like Google Sheets, and set it to add information from the email to a spreadsheet automatically.
Configuring triggers, actions, and testing.
Zapier will prompt you to connect your accounts for each app and configure the details of your trigger and action. For example, you might specify which Gmail label to watch or which Google Sheet to update. After setup, use Zapier's test feature to ensure the workflow behaves as expected before turning it on.
Activating and managing your automation.
Once your Zap works correctly, give it a clear name and activate it. From now on, Zapier monitors your trigger app and runs the action automatically when the trigger event occurs. You can pause, edit, or delete zaps anytime from your dashboard, making it easy to refine or expand your automated workflows.
Tips for expanding your automation.
Zapier supports thousands of apps and offers features like multi-step zaps, filters, and scheduled actions. Experiment with more complex workflows as you get comfortable. Explore Zapier's templates and community for inspiration to automate even more of your daily tasks, helping you stay productive and organized.